Power Trick or Trade. All right, people, I'm going to do a market update here for people for the SPY, board, and also just to see how people like my market take, my market updates as I explain facts instead of guessing and like a lot of people out there that just have give no information. So I'm going to talk about why I think the market's going to go higher and some key numbers to look at. Although I'm not going to focus on the SPY, I'm going to focus on the individual stocks, and I'm going to show you later, people, where you can subscribe to my channel and see the power for yourself. But let's talk about the SPY now. So the SPY and a lot of key stocks are looking very strong. Odds favor we test 257 to 258. All right, people. I will explain what 254 is, but the key will be the right stock setups. But my many reasons to be bullish is present. I will explain inside the video. That's right, people. So look at the thing about this market is, even though it is overbought, it's past it's been overbought, but we have a much bullish. The even volume is better than it was back over here before that pullback. The thing is, it's very different. The way my scans showed things here versus the way things are here are two different scenarios. So usually, the charts, when you got charts and scans lining up, that's powerful. So my scans are kind of unique, where I filter out, where I filter things down to the highest probability, okay? And a lot of great things have been happening, and this is one big reason why the SPY can go higher. Now, the way I look at it, as long as we hold above 254, they can go and test these numbers quickly, soon. In a matter of a few days to a week or two. So that's a key number. Now, I will explain another key number. For example, if we start seeing what would be another very bullish thing happening is the SPY basing above 255.50. Any type of basing above that will be a very good sign for them to go test these numbers very soon. Okay, and then of course holding above this number and then basing above 255.50. Okay. But for me, I'm going to focus on the individual stocks. But I tell you something, the market is very, very bullish. And, you have people like, for example, hashtag high flyer. Now, that hashtag high flyer, you can research that particular person. But they are really great indicators, because when they are so negative, the market, and the market keeps going higher, that is very bullish in itself. However, it's not just that, right? Honestly, it's got to do with the scans and the right kind of stocks. Financial stocks look strong. The credit card companies, they're very strong, right? So, key stocks that are strong in this market, basing on that people think it's too high. It really, there's so many bullish things about this market, and we can continue to go higher, and maintain. And don't forget now, the IWM, one of the things, the IWM broke out higher a week ago on tons of volume, and that, I think, is another supporting factor why this SPY continues to go higher. And so, on top of that, the SPY looks amazing. I mean, the chart pattern looks amazing. Not just on regular charts, but with my visionary lines. And I can tell you one thing: when they both agree, sometimes, let me tell you something, people. When my visionary lines and the regular stock charts don't agree, there is a problem. But this is the thing. This is the good news I want to tell you. So don't assume that the market's just going to drop. Like they think this is the thing. I mean, in fact, dips have been bought. Look, this was a dip and it's already been bought. Right? Look at this. Look at the strength here. Right? Now it's very different here. Right? We would go up, but there was no. But this is different, and it's not. And again, it's the scans that I look at. It just shows a lot of great strength in stocks. especially in the right kind of companies. And that is why we can have a higher SPY, people. Okay. And again, I explained some key numbers. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. The thing about people is, you want to, if you're new, you want to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already opened a YouTube account, I would open it. I got a lot of great videos here, created playlist that shows plans from start to end. Okay, before the fact, the confirmation, meaning entering, and after the fact, exiting. Okay, the gains that could have been had following the rules. But the key is confirmation. Study the videos. I post great plans. You want to know something? I show you something here. You know, last week here, super plan review, Netflix. Okay, Netflix being able to make these strong gains is another reason why, and strong, and it's consolidating. Okay, earnings are coming up, but it had the earning push run beautifully. Also, stocks like BA very strong. Although it's been going up in a choppy manner, very strong. And it's these things, people, that I'm going to post a super review plan. I suggest you see it in the video. If you like what I've explained about the market in general, the SPY, and my reasons, you know, you're going to want to subscribe to, because this is not a plan. This is more of a just explaining about the market and my thoughts. There really isn't anything negative, and the odds favor that the SPY goes higher. I'm not really concerned how it goes higher. I mean, we can chop our way up higher, nice and slow. Like I said, the market isn't going to make things easy. But what I suggest you do, or what I do, is I look for confirmation, especially with stocks that want to confirm with strong volume, like Netflix did. You make a lot of money, right? And again, you know, this Tesla plan here might work out as well. So check it out, right? Again, we wait for confirmation, but like stocks like this want to move higher, okay? And stocks like NVDA, just super strength in stocks with volume. It's telling you we have a very strong market. You know, there are going to be stocks that are going to go down, but a market that wants to go higher is apparent with the right strength in a lot of stocks. Money is pouring in the right stocks, and you can tell by how while the SPY is acting, right? So there you have it, a great special review. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action. Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like